It was a beautiful summer day on the island of Sodor. Ice cream was being delivered, and visitors have come to the island. The Fat Controller had some news for the engines. I need one of the 7 of you to carry a fireworks special to the firework party today. James was delighted.
Sir, you don't even need to think twice. I am the most splendid red engine on Sodor. I should be the one to carry this fireworks special.
I hate to break the news to you, James, but you're not the one to carry this special. I actually want Percy to do it. Percy was delighted. Really, sir? You want me to go carry that special for the fireworks show tonight?
Wait, what? Said a very surprised James. Well, what's going on here? Is he more special than I am? Is there something going on between the two of you? No, it's because he's a really useful engine and doesn't throw stupid temper tantrums like you do when you don't get your way.
James was shocked indeed. Percy, I suggest you go get that train right away before it's too late. Oh yeah, right away, sir. And Percy puffed away. As Percy was traveling the countryside with the fireworks, night began to cover the whole of the island of Sodor. When Percy came to a stop at a red light, Diesel oiled next to him. Keep that foil taped away from my fireworks. It could make this truck explode. That being said, go away. Diesel was truly annoyed.
Stinky steamies and your bossy behavior.
And Diesel oiled away in a big exhaust puff. When Percy tried to continue on his journey, his wheels and the rails started making sparks that was flying everywhere and spreading everywhere. Then, when Percy finally caught a grip, he continued on his journey, but he didn't know his trucks caught fire. Percy, we need to stop. Something's wrong. Then, Percy came to a halt. What's wrong, Mr. Adams? Well, if you didn't know, actually, your trucks have caught fire and you need to get away from them as soon as possible. Oh no, said a horrified Percy. I need to get away from here, and fast, before something bad happens. What? How did this even happen? Said a very shocked and in disbelief Percy. Oh, I can't do anything right. Oh, I'm such a clumsy engine. Sir Topham Hatt gave me this task and trusted me with it with all his heart. Sir Topham Hatt will be surely cross with me. I'm probably not even going to be invited to the fireworks show. All Percy could do was stare at his buffer beams, and he began to cry. Such a good train, James. I wonder if Percy has delivered those trucks yet. I can't wait for the fireworks show tonight. It's gonna be awesome. Oh dear God! Then James rolled up behind Thomas. Oh, sorry, Thomas. Sorry it took so long. I was getting a wash down. What are you looking at? Is there something wrong? Hello, Earther Thomas. Oh my goodness! What happened? Oh, look over there. There's Percy. When Thomas rolled up behind Percy, he could see that his best friend was not doing so well. What's wrong, Percy? Did something bad happen?
Yeah, what happened, Percy? You can talk to us. We're your best friends.
I don't know what happened, guys. I guess when I started to go on from the red signal, the sparks flew on top of the trucks, and then, I guess, from there, they just exploded.
Thomas was thinking of a way that he could help his best friend.
Ooh, I got it.
How about we just go back to where you got the fireworks from, and then we go back and get it again? There was a long pause, but Percy had made his decision at last.
Not sure. Sure, that's a good idea. Let's go. No time to waste.
Now let's go! Hit the music!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Clanking into the couplet, cargo ready to roll. James, Thomas, and Percy, pull that load. Got to work harder, move that freight. Got to go faster, can't be late. Here we come, up the hill, there we go. What a thrill! Ha, ha, hey! Rocking together, yeah, yeah. Rocking and rolling, lifting and loading. On the island of Sodom, hear the rumble and chug. Wheels grinding and growling, and funnels pop. Working through to the sunset every day. Trying hard to be useful. Hey, hey, hey. Here we come, up the hill. There we go, what a thrill. Hey, ha, ha, hey. Rocking together. Yeah, yeah. Rocking and rolling. Hey. Lifting and loading. Hey, help one another. Yeah, yeah. Pulling and pushing. Breathing and hauling. Friends are forever.
Once all the engines got home, all of the other engines have already gone to the firework party.
Thank you guys for helping me carry the fireworks to Knapford Station for the firework party.
Oh, no problem, Percy. Yeah, don't mention it, Percy. Just know that me and Thomas,
That me and James
always
got
your
your
back.
back. Aw, thanks you two. You guys are the bestest friends that I've ever had in the entire world.
Oh, guys, look, the fireworks show is starting.
Oh, hi! If you want more videos like this one, just like and subscribe. We have more coming your way like twin faction and other scary summer stuff. Just like and subscribe and put your comments down below. See you next time. Bye-bye.
And happy 4th of July, everyone!